వాళ్ళు చాలా ఆకలిగా ఉన్నారు. In English, they are very hungry. Once again, they are very hungry. అది చాలా బరువుగా ఉంది. In English, it is very heavy. Once again, it is very heavy. దాన్ని ఎందుకు కొన్నావు? In English, why did you buy that? Once again, why did you buy that? ఇది బహుమతి కోసం. In English, this is for a gift. Once again, this is for a gift. ఆమె ఎందుకు పడుకున్నది? In English, why is she sleeping? Once again, why is she sleeping? ఆమెకు తలనొప్పిగా ఉంది. In English, she has a headache. Once again, she has a headache. వాళ్ళు ఎందుకు పరిగెడుతున్నారు? In English, why are they running? Once again, why are they running? దాన్ని ఎందుకు వదిలేశావు? In English, why did you leave that? Once again, why did you leave that? అతను ఎందుకు వస్తున్నాడు? In English, why is he coming? Once again, why is he coming? వాళ్ళు పెయింట్ చేయబోతున్నారు. In English, they are going to paint. Once again, they are going to paint. అది నేను చేయగలను. In English, I can do it. Once again, I can do it. అది నేను చెయ్యను. In English, I will not do it. Once again, I will not do it. దాన్ని నేను చేస్తాను. In English, I will do it. Once again, I will do it. అతను ఎందుకు ఆగాడు? In English, why did he stop? Once again, why did he stop? అతను ఎందుకు వేగంగా నడుస్తున్నాడు? In English, why is he walking fast? Once again, why is he walking fast? వాళ్ళు ఎందుకు ఏడుస్తున్నారు? In English, why are they crying? Once again, why are they crying? వారికి నేర్చుకోవాలని ఉంది. In English, they wanted to learn. Once again, they wanted to learn. అది అతని పుట్టినరోజు కానుక. In English, it is his birthday present. Once again, it is his birthday present. అతనికి బహుమతి ఎందుకు ఇస్తున్నావు? In English, why did you give him a gift? Once again, why did you give him a gift? ఇది భోజనం చేసే వేళ. In English, it is time to eat. Once again, it is time to eat.